smile like a child on Christmas morning. Somebody done sent Roast a box. It says Rusty Rooster. That's all I got. We're gonna open it up. It's pretty exciting. This is the only Christmas gift I got. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, would you look at that? That's awesome. Who sent this? A little gift from Mr. Paul Fast. Thank you. This was awful nice. I mean awful nice. And I appreciate it. And I'm fixing to go try it out. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. It just keeps going. My word. Thank you, Paul. Woo, woo. Oh yeah, Merry Christmas to y'all. Oh, I'm gonna tell y'all what. Old Roast Granny today. Man, I got an old friend and a viewer. He told me, he said, Roast, I can't hear your videos. Dang sound all up and down. I can't hear half what you said. Well, it didn't hurt my feelings, but I was trying to find out how to fix it. I'm a little technology challenged. I couldn't quite figure out what I wanted. And I get a knock at the door. I mean, as I'm looking for it, a knock on the door. Oh, Amazon man standing there with a box. And I grinned, it had my name on it. I run in, got my wife. I said, come look, somebody done sent me something. Merry Christmas to me. I opened that box up and what I got? Cordless microphone. And I'm trying it out right now, first time. Hope you can hear me. I'm just kidding. I hope you can hear me. But I'm proud of it. I really am. Mr. Paul Fast, thank you. That's a mighty nice gift. And I know I've told you that there was a little something hiding in the background that you sent before. In case you've been looking and can't find it. It's sitting right over there on top of the toolbox. And that's where it'll sit. It'll be there next time you come by and bring a full one. Don't bring no one in. But anyway, thanks so much for the gift. Till I see you again, you have a Merry Christmas, both of you. Thank you. Rooster smiles, walks off camera. Hey!